Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel VBA Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on the channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get the updated videos. So guys, this is the part 4 of the Excel interviews question and answer series. Right guys? So guys, directly go to the question right now what we have. So we have a first question that is pick employee name in column D, right? S- So employee ID, sorry. So just based on the employee name I need to get the employee ID, right? So this is the raw data we have in column A and B, and as you can see that here we have only the partial information about the raw data. Here as you can see that here we have a Kushal Singh, Prabhat Chandra Mishra and all that, but here we have only the Kushal Chandra and all that. So how would you get the values if you have a partial information about the raw data? So in that case we will use just a wildcard. So how would I use a wildcard? So let me show you. So I'll use a VLOOKUP. So I'll use a asterisk here and here, and I'm using asterisk again. This means asterisk means just this get all the characters before the Kusal, right? And this automatically consider all the characters after the Kusal, right? So it only matches the Kusal from the string, right? So here the table array, it doesn't matter that what we have in the prefix, or it doesn't matter that what we have in the postfix of the Kusal and all that. So I'm just phrasing it, and we have a two column index and we have a, now you can see that here I got the employee ID based on the employee name from the table raw data. So the second question we have that I need to calculate, or I need to get the employee name based on the employee ID. So here we have first, that is a reverse VLOOKUP. First I have employee name and second is the employee ID. So to do this task we have multiple ways. You can also use a choose, you can also use an index, or you can also use a VLOOKUP. So I'm using an index function. Index, that is what I'm using, index. Here we have employee. I'm just phrasing it, and I'm using a match function to match the employee ID from the raw data. So now I have a lookup array. So lookup array is what is here, that is in column B. I'm phrasing it, and that is I have that is 0 for exact match. I'm closing it and pressing enter. So I have got the employee name based on the employee ID from the raw data table. So this is the second question, and this is I have also a third question. The third question we have pick value by VLOOKUP in column D. So I'm simply using a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is this, and the data is this, and here that is 2 and 0. I'm simply drag it here. So now you can see just I have got the two values for the employee name, that is Sivank and Rahul, but rest of the values is what I did not use for rest of the values. So what's happened? So in that case I'm just just some inputs are contained on non-printable characters, some inputs are contained extra white spaces, right? So in that case I'll use a clean function to take a non-printable, or to just exclude the non-printable characters. And the second method I have a trim function that is used for remove the extra white spaces from the prefix of the characters. So here I'm just closing it, Now I need to press enter and control D. Now you can see that here I have got two more values for Nishant and Anupama. But here you, as you can see that here we have a Priyanka and something like that. So this input contained spaces in between, right? So how would I do that? So for this I have another approach. I'm using a if error, right? So first, just if we do not have any error, so this VLOOKUP will execute. If we will have a error, so we will, so second VLOOKUP or second condition will execute. So second condition we have VLOOKUP. I'll use the substitute. Text is what? I have text is this, and the old text is what? Space, and the new text one is nothing. And let's close it. And table array we have this one, right? And I'm just closing it, freezing it. And the column index we have 2, and for exact I'm pressing 0. For exact match I'm closing it and enter it. Right now I am control D. So what happened? Let me check again what's happened here. Why I'm not getting the value for this one? Hmm. C26 is what? It's getting, it's not a C23, it's a C30. Now, now you can see that here we have the values for Manoj as well. Right guys, so that's it for this video guys. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it to get the updated videos. So guys, if you have any concern, any doubt, right, related to this video, just write your comment in the comment box. I'll get back to you on that guys. So guys, thank you, thanks for the watching.